My father's name was Ernest William Babb Jr. He was born in 1928, and he lived in West Texas. He became an architect by profession and a painter by passion. So he was always very visually astute, very in tune with what was going on in the physical environment. He was probably the best dressed man I have ever known. He was diagnosed with dementia that eventually ended in Alzheimer's. He lived for 3 years after his diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease. During that time, he was there, but not quite. And I remember him being very stubborn about what he would wear because, dressing was a big deal to him. And he would insist upon wearing clean but stained sweatpants, white crew socks, very good but leather shoes. And he just wouldn't wear anything else. He would walk down the halls of the assisted living facility on his walker, and he would want to stop and pick up every little bit of debris that was on the ground because he was just really attuned to his environment, and he wanted it to be perfect, immaculate all the time. Alzheimer's is a disease that takes our loved ones incrementally, and the death is slow. And sometimes it's just something you quietly observe, and sometimes it just hits you over the top of the head because of what you remember of how they were before. Bottom line, it is a disease that needs to be cured, and we need to do everything we can to work towards that end, and also to remember those who have been afflicted by the disease.